And welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to play Nico's Nextbot. And now I'm with Matthew, Kevin, and Nap in here. So yeah, we have four of us. But at this game, this is the challenge for me, you know. So every time I die, I have to do one Rubik cube flips. Okay, so if you don't know what is it, you can check my videos, yesterday video. So yeah, every time I die, I'm going to do the one Rubik Cube flip, okay? So, let's begin! So, our time play is gonna be 30 minutes, okay? Since the recording started. So, yeah. So, it's blackout. So,
Yeah, bug.
okay. Oh my god, it's so dark! I can't see anything! ah!
Purple thing on my screen.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. I can't see anything! Oh my god. Okay.
Is your screen froze?
No, not frozen. It's so dark, I can't see anything. Oh my god. It's blackout. Okay, so. Oh my god, I don't want to get killed. I don't want to do Rubik Cube flip.
Nice.
It's hard. Oh my god, it's so dark. Huh?
It's froze.
Sorry, Matthew. Can you repeat? Oh my god.
I just have a purple thing on my screen. Here, I'll rejoin.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, where am I? Wait, where am I? Wait. Is this supposed to be normal to have all of my screen black? Oh my god. I'm not sure if I die or not. Guys, did I die? Did I die? Not yet, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh my, wait. I can see anything. Okay, so yeah, I just follow, just follow who? I don't know who. Okay, Tribum, I'm going to follow you, okay? Kevin?
Okay.
Where? Oh, I forgot that we have a flashlight, okay? Oh my god, I forgot that we have a flashlight. Oh my god. I feel stupid, you know? Oh my god. Okay, first that. Okay, one Rubik Cube flip. Mm-hmm.
I don't know why this is what happened to me.
What? Can you repeat? Respond? Okay, this respond.
So late.
So enable. Okay, so where can I find the other power boxes? Okay, so. Alright, so. Power boxes. How do I find it? How do I find the power boxes? Okay. Let's see. Interact. Yes, interact. Dude, I literally forget that there's... I have a flashlight. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna use this all the time. Oh, bunga. Okay. So there's no battery for a flashlight, right?
Yeah, there's no bad.
Alright. No. Okay. There's a second one. Second Rubik Cube flip that I should do after this. Oh my god. Respawn. Whoa! Okay, there's Markiplier there. There's Markiplier, right?
Oh, I get.
Hello, Matthew. Back again.
My screen is frozen, so I had to restart it.
Okay. Anyway, Matthew, you can use the flashlight in here. So yeah, if it's way too dark, you can use the flashlight.
Okay.
Yep. So where can I find the power boxes? I'm not sure.
Highlighted on your screen.
Sorry, can you repeat?
It's highlighted on your screen.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly because of the connection, but it's okay. Okay, so you have to search it throughout the buildings, right? No.
Highlighted on your screen.
Highlighted under screen. Oh, highlighted under screen. Under screen.
This game has no escape.
There's no escape, right? So just survive, right? In this throughout the game, right?
Yes, no end. No end.
Okay, so yeah.
There's no end.
Yep. So all we gotta do is survive, and I'm dead for the fourth time. Black out, okay.
Oh.
Enable 5 power boxes, okay.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Okay, now the lights are on. So now we can, yep. Okay. I'm not going to play it safe, you know. I'm going to explore and run.
There is something.
What? There?
Yes, there is.
Yep. Oh, yep. There's Sonic and Markiplier.
Run! Run!
Run!
Run!
Let's go! Chase me! Run! Chase me! Come on! Okay, so let's go. Ah! Okay.
Michael!
Yes, okay, let's go. Let's together, Kevin. Let's go together. This is the safe zone. No. I don't want to be in the safe zone, you know. It's like cheating in this challenge. Hello, hey! Come to me, hey! Obama, and then... Obama, Markiplier, and Sonic, come on! Hmm? Oh my, okay. So, okay, can I run back and forth safely? Let's see! Run back and forth safely! No. Markiplier in there! Markiplier! Okay. Let's go. Run back and forth safely. Oh no. Oh my god. The wall. I'm dead. Okay. 5th time. Oh my god.
You did 5 times?
Yep, I did 5 times, so I have to do 5 Rubik cubes.
Obama is fighting me.
Yeah, man, I've did 5 times. Oh my god. Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Hey, Markiplier. Hey, Sonic. Come on. Come here, Sonic. No, don't kill me. Please, forgive me. Oh, this is safe zone. Okay. No, come on, Sonic. Come on. Hey, Sonic, Markiplier. Come here. Markiplier! And Sonic! Come on!
There is quiet.
There is what? Oh, wait. Come on. I dare you. Come on. No. I'm sorry. Hey! You can chase me. Come on. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Why do I turn this way? Okay. Come on. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Come on, Sonic. Chase me. Yeah. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I die because of Delgado? Okay, I die because of Delgado.
You
Oh,
died, lol. You died. You died.
yeah, I'm dead. Ah.
Please. Adil, tidak.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
There's Condel Tingle in here.
Oh my. Hey, who are you? No. No, Mr. Incredible. Sorry.
Obama and
7 times.
Condel Tingle in here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so say there, Sadai. Okay. So how many has her fast?
Solek.
Sorry?
Solek.
So like, okay. Wait. No. Oh my god! No! There's 2 black and white people! Oh my god. That. Ah.
Don't test me.
Yeah, I've died 8 times. Oh my god. Okay.
Obama. What are you?
Mm-hmm. I am on the office. Hey, Kevin, let's go. Let's go together, okay? Let's go.
I got jump scared by Senator.
What? Sorry, can you repeat?
I got jump scared. I just got jump scared.
Oh my. From Obama, right? Okay, there's Obama there.
From Senate. Michael.
Yes. Yes, what? Oh. Wait, where are you? Oh, hello. Okay, and there's also Matthew. Hello. Let's go. Yeah, so Kevin, let us go where? Let us, okay.
They gave me some leg.
Same. I also feel like no! No! Who is this guy? The meme. Oh no, the black and white guy! Forgive me! Oh my god. 9 times! Okay. I'm dead again. So Delgado. So this man and Delgado. Oh my god. I've met 2 of them. Alright. So let's see how many. Okay. So is there any mission rather than just survive in here?
Mission.
Sorry? There's no mission, right?
Yes.
Okay. There's no mission. So yeah, I'm going to play with Obama, and then there's who other guy? Oh, I don't know. Delgado. Okay, Delgado, and Obama. Hello. Okay, I use flashlight. Come on. Chase me. Hello, Delgado. Does the ghost attract to flashlight? Obama. Obama, don't chase me. Oh, wait. Who? Oh, Delgado, who killed me? Oh my god. Okay, 10 times. I must do 10. 10 Rubik flips. Oh my. Oh wait, I forget to click respawn. Respawn. Okay. Yeah.
Michael,
Yes.
wanna go to bathrooms?
2 bedrooms. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah. So I need to respawn again. Right. So I think it's the best if you play this in the dark, right? So so you can feel the horror, right? So when you play it at night in the dark room, right? I feel that it's the best if you play it in the dark room, alone.
Funny and sad.
Yeah, funny and scary, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So maybe there's a big chance that the ghost won't come here. So yeah. No. I got jump scared by Markiplier. It was called Quandy in here, but I believe maybe it's Markiplier or something. Yeah, it's Markiplier, right? 12 Rubik cubes. I must do 12 of this flip. Ah. Right. That 13 times. Okay, 13 times. 13 is the, I don't know, man, like, yeah, 13 times, man. I must do this. Okay, okay, so who's chatting there? Okay, so how many times press? Okay. So yeah, we're halfway there. Let's see. So maybe I'm going to do 20 what or something. Ah! Okay. Flashlight, flashlight. I want to use the flashlight. So who's behind me? Ah! Oh my god! Delgado! 14 times. 14 times. Click to respawn. Dude, I believe that this guy is FK, you know? Because he never move from the respawn point. Okay. Yeah, there's someone who is AFK in the safe zone all this time, you know? I'm sliding! I'm a football player! I'm a football player! I'm sliding! I'm sliding! And I'm dead. Because of the smiley face. 15 times. Okay. Click to respawn. Oh, there's the ghost. Okay. Chase me! Chase me! Come on, chase me! Chase me! Hello? Hi. Hello. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I play with fire. He moves so fast. This goes, oh my god. I play with fire. Oh. Oh. Tolpo gitu, oke. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. La 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 la. Die. 17 times. Oh man. So yeah, I should click to respawn. So yeah. Wow. There's Sonic and hello. Sonic and hey, I'm dead. The 18 times. Click to respawn. Okay. So how many ghosts are in here, you know? Oh, it's blackout again. Oh no 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 no.
Let me see.
Okay, 19. So let's turn on the power again, okay? So 19. It's on me. Okay, so there's flashlight. So what is that? No, 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 no. I'm dead. 20. Click to respawn. Of course, why not? Boom. Yup, Saturday 14 Indo is AFK. So who's behind me? Oh my god, it's Markiplier. 21. Respawn. Zone. Okay, so there's So how do I open this? Open this garage. Open garage. Open garage. How do you open this? Ah! 22. So one more, okay. So you can see where's the power box on the map, right? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so just follow. Ah! Oh my god, okay. 23. 23 deaths. Let's see. Okay. Hey! Dude, I literally just respawn. 24. Respawn, okay. Hey! I just respawned! Oh my god! I'm dead 25 times. Dude. Oh. 26. Okay, hello. No. 27. Wow. Well, hear that there. Okay, so mic. Okay. So I try to not run. Okay, so yeah, just walking slowly.
Okay.
Yep, just walking. I won't use the run. Let's make this more challenging. Okay. No run. Okay, you can win this. You can win this with not run. 28 times. Yeah, man, you literally can win this without running, you know.
You have to run.
Yes, you have to run. Okay, so for the next, I try to to crouch only. Let's see.
Oh,
Yep, I only do crouch. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm just going to do crouching, you know. Let's see. Oh my god! It's worse! It's worse! It's worse! It's worse! Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, so you have to run, okay? So what if I do the flashlight, okay? So I turn on the flashlight all the time. Will the ghost attracted to me? Let's see. Alright. Flashlight! Flashlight! Red light! Green light! I'm here! Chase me! Chase me! Come on, come on, come on, man! Chase me! Hey! Oh, okay. He doesn't see me, it seems. Chase me! Chase me! Chase me! Let's go! Amogus! Amogus! Hey, Matt, I see you there. Oh, the Ender Sonic! Oh, oh, Kevin, you're that too. Okay. Okay, I'm dead. 30 Rubik Cube flip. So yeah.
Michael,
Yes. Yes, Kevin. Oh, Markiplier. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, I'm dead. 31. Yes. Yes, Kevin.
I was behind you.
Okay. Wait, is Snap still with us? No? Ah, okay. Yeah, he left midway, but it's okay. Oh, yeah. Respawn. I did 32, right? Yeah, 32 times. Yeah, okay. Okay, so who's behind me? Chase me, chase me. Ah! Ah! Markiplier! Okay, I'm dead. Crouching. No! 33 times. Okay, less than 2 more minutes. We're gonna end the challenge. Maybe I'm going to do 35, I believe.
I'm behind you, Michael.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Ah! I'm yawning and he comes. Oh my god. Okay, respawn. Okay, so I'll just in the corner. Let's see. Let's just stay in the corner. Okay, 30 more seconds. Let's see if we can survive in the corner. Kevin. Let's see. Okay, if we can survive in the corner in the last 30 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds more. Less than 20 seconds.
I'm back.
Okay, you're back. Hello. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, that's all for now. So in total, I have to do 34 Rubik cubes flips, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, this game is pretty interesting. Okay, so Matthew, Nep, Kevin, do you have any last words?
It's in the dark.
Yep. Okay. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next content. And I have to do this punishment. So yeah. Bye bye.